Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline fully hand tied 13x6 lace wig. It's in style Ariella DRFF2 cinnamon mocha is the color. So this is just showing you the wig. This is what it looks like. This is before I cut the lace. Then I also end up tinting it with some lace spray, the Ebin lace spray. And I'm just showing you the elastic band that's in the front. in the back. Then I'm showing you the two combs on the side. And there's a comb in the back as well. So I'm just showing you that, the construction of the inside of the cap. Also has HD transparent lace, and it is pre-plucked. So right here, I'm just coming out using some of my Ebin spray. This is the one in the black can. And I did 2 layers of this, and then I just used my hair dryer. And I let it dry between each layer. Now I'm using my Ghostbond glue, and I did 2 layers of that also, and used my hair dryer and just let it dry between each layer. Okay, now I'm just putting it on, making sure that it's on well. And then I used my melting band, kept that on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna take that off. And I'm just doing my baby hairs, so just cutting them, and then I use my Lotta body mousse spray to help lay them down. My got to be free spray on there as well. And I took that off, y'all, and then I just used my hair stick just to come out and smooth it down. You can use your hot comb if you want, but I didn't. And I'm just putting some powder just on the front and in my part, just to make sure it blends in well, everything blends in well together. And I'm just showing y'all how it looks after I got done doing that. And this is the end result. And that is it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this hair tutorial. I like this hair. It did come on and get tangled a little bit, so just use your foaming mousse and a little bit of water. I want to try something different, so I love this color. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it's free. Give me a thumbs up. It's free. It helps my channel. Comment, like, share, all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.